everyone, it's another beautiful morning here in South Africa. It's early, it's about 5:45 in the morning now. We're just heading out on a hunt. We're going to try and get some birds, get an animal, and catch some fish today. So it should be fun. All the guys are going out. Let's go. You guys ready?
Yeah, we're ready.
Are you ready?
First two was double. And then I shot two.
Let's go, guys. Let's go and get those birds.
What's happening?
It's good, man. Good. It's going.
Oh, yeah.
Just what we need after a busy morning, hey?
Hard work.
That's cool. Is that hard work, Jax?
Sometimes like
Got some serious fishing prep going on here for the MacNab.
Yeah.
Everyone got a bird.
Yeah,
Now we just have to get everyone a fish
super excited. Yeah,
and then a book.
that's gonna be interesting.
I think we have all the fishing rods. Got rod will catch. On our way to do some fishing. You ready, Dad? Yeah. Ready? Nice and warm today. Hopefully the fish will be biting. Right near the road.
Okay, let's take out to bakkies, eh? Dankie Marina.
Hey, MacNab. What's happening, Rob? You got your rod?
Hot here in the midday sun.
What she said is true.
Need to move spots. This place is not working out for me. Yes, after much work, got this bad boy. Come on, dude. Largemouth bass. Check it out. Yes, after much work, finally caught this little guy. He's not that little, pretty big fish. But yeah, in case you guys are wondering, we're doing this thing called the MacNab challenge, which is where you get a bird, a fish and an animal in a day. So you have 24 hours to do all of them. So we are 2/3 of the way there. We just have to get an animal each now. And in case you're wondering as well, we will eat everything that we shoot or catch today. Everything will be eaten. So yeah, free range, organic, whatever you want to call it. It's pretty sweet. How good's the view here as well? It's beautiful. Check it out. You. So we're well on our way to the MacNab challenge. Give it a kiss.
No, thank you.
Neil beat me by about 20 minutes, Neil. Half an hour, maybe an hour, I don't know.
No, it's about 20 minutes.
Felt like I was out there fishing forever. Contemplated just getting a grenade to get this thing. But yeah. No, that's frowned upon in a lot of circles.
The proper one, eh?
Eh?
You like you.
Yeah.
You guys wait for last, but you coin it, dude.
I know, right?
Lekker, man. Nice.
It's not a bad
Freaking,
fish
that's
at all.
awesome, eh? Wow, look at that.
It's a good little fish.
Yeah.
You finally got it,
Give me a kiss.
You. Well done.
Yeah.
So he goes a long time, but he catches the biggest one.
Yeah. Successful little fishing trip.
Yep. Cheers.
Cheers, guys.
Keegan didn't catch something, and Manor didn't catch something. Those are
not-
the only two that.
Not bad going for this size group though,
Yeah.
for a couple of hours.
Yeah, I mean, we. That's eh?
Thank you.
Chop chop. Lucky.
Nice little haul from this afternoon. All good fish.
Are you kitted out? You got your bonus?
Have you got some shooting sticks? Eh?
Yeah.
You can go with Nigel. So you can put the sticks up and you can black. Okay. Shop.
Well guys, what an epic adventure today. We did the MacNab challenge, which is where you get something with feathers, scales and fur in one day. So you have 24 hours to do it, and we've done it. Check it out. Wildebeest, Keegan, thanks dude. Richard, thanks man. But yeah, pretty epic. It'll probably freak some people out when you see this on YouTube, but what you need to realize is that everything that we have killed today is going to get eaten. So we're going to take this back, we'll slaughter it out, and all of the meat will get used, even the insides, everything's going to get eaten. It's all going to be processed and turned into mince and steaks and fillets and everything else. So yeah, this is about as organic and free range as it gets. There's no difference to this really than if you eat a steak from a supermarket. If anything, this has had a better life than the cattle that live in feedlots and things like that. So yeah, it's been a pretty epic day, crazy, quite tiring actually, literally to get up 5 AM, do this all day long. Now the sun's just set behind us there, but it's been epic. And yeah, we shot this just down here, pretty much by that tree over there that I'm pointing to, and we struggled to find it actually. We thought that it had run over the hill, so we got some tracker dogs, and Lisa came down and we landed up actually doing a huge loop trying to find it, but it had run just dead in its tracks after probably 30 meters and fallen over. So yeah, it's good to go. Gonna get this thing back to the lodge and skin it out and clean it up and get it ready for making food. But yeah, epic day. Hopefully it hasn't freaked out too many people. But yeah, this is what life and death looks like sometimes. And if you eat steak, then this is the original source of where your steak comes from. What do you say, Keegan?
Yeah, it's a lot better than normal steak.
Pretty epic hunt,
Yeah.
eh? Oh my gosh. Flip.
In front of me, and the cheese sauce is on the table too. Right?
Hey guys, it's time for me to go to bed now. Jax and Rhea are sleeping just in the next room. I'm just in the bathroom here. It's been quite a hectic day. It's been crazy actually. Super busy, just running around getting the MacNab challenge done. But yeah, it's been a lot of fun. We've really enjoyed it. Hope you've enjoyed following along with something really different. A lot of people probably have never seen or experienced anything like it, but I hope you got a glimpse into something a bit unusual, and definitely not something that's common in our world today. But yeah, it was good. I grew up doing that sort of stuff, so it has a lot of nostalgia, and it was fun doing it with my uncles and my dad and Neil as well. It's really good. Tomorrow's a big day. We head down to Joburg and spend the night down there before flying to Zambia. So that's our big fishing trip while we're out here. So it's mainly for my grandfather's 90th. He loves fishing. It's a big passion of his, so it's going to be really exciting catching tigerfish on the Zambezi River with him and with the rest of the guys. So yeah, I'll keep you guys posted and I'll vlog along the way as well. But otherwise, catch you guys in the morning.